Hey viewers, you are watching this webinar and I am Shudha. A fire broke out in a plastic scrap warehouse in the Narwal area sector C, Sid Road 8 Indore on Sunday. The blaze prompted an immediate response from the fire department. The fire was intense, spreading quickly among the stored plastic materials. Authorities deployed 3 to 4 additional fire trucks to contain the situation. Firefighters surrounded and the area with fire trucks to control the flames. Nearby gas cylinders and employees were safely evacuated to prevent any casualties. Shivnarayan Sharma, the fire station in charge, confirmed that the fire is now under control. He added that it will take another hour or two to fully extinguish the blaze with the help of 4 to 5 fire trucks and a JCB machine. The warehouse suffered significant damage. The plastic materials inside were completely burnt, with losses estimated to be in lakhs of rupees, and local residents reported seeing thick smoke and flames rising from the warehouse. The quick response of the fire department helped prevent the fire from spreading to nearby buildings. Police and fire officials maintained a cordoned area around the warehouse. Traffic was temporarily diverted to ensure safety and smooth operations. The exact cause of the fire is still under investigation. Authorities are looking into possibilities such as electrical short circuits or improper storage of materials. Sharma emphasized the importance of fire safety measures in warehouses storing flammable materials. Officials urged warehouse owners to maintain cleared emergency exits, fire extinguishers, and proper storage protocols. Residents appreciated the rapid response of the fire department and police. Their quick action minimized potential damage and ensured the safety of employees. The administration has assured that a thorough investigation will be carried out to determine the cause and any negligence involved. This incident highlights the risk in industrial and storage areas and underscores the need for regular fire safety audits. Authorities have said that awareness campaigns will be intensified in industrial zones to prevent such incidents in the future. As of now, the fire is under control and firefighters continue to monitor the area to ensure the blaze does not reignite. Stay tuned with us for more updates. Do like, comment, share and subscribe the channel.